Ready for Super Bowl? We've got 2 recipes, a healthy and a goodie for Super Bowl weekend. We're going to do a 7-layer dip and a Thai chili meatball recipe. Stay tuned, it's up next.
So for this recipe, we are making Thai chili and cranberry meatballs. So you can either use a Dutch oven or a cast iron skillet or a slow cooker. So it's really just these 3 ingredients: meatballs, cranberry sauce, and your sweet Thai chili sauce that you're gonna pour in. So we've got 2 pounds of meatballs in the Dutch oven. If you put this in the slow cooker, you're gonna put it on low for about an hour to 2. And if you've got one of those slow cookers, you can just snap shut. It'd be a great idea because you can just take it straight to the party. But we're gonna add our Thai chili sauce. And then our cranberry sauce. We're just gonna mix that all together. And if you're using the Dutch oven, this is gonna cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. So we're gonna let this simmer in the Dutch oven for 25 to 30 minutes, and then we'll plate and we'll be ready to go to our Super Bowl party. For our dip, we're gonna make a healthy Mediterranean layered dip. So we're gonna start with our hummus. You could use Sabra. I actually love the Aldi's brand from Aldi's supermarket. Publix has really good hummus as well. But for this recipe, you can either use Sabra, which is what it says, or what we're using, our Aldi's brand. It's a generic plain hummus, 8 ounces. Next item is you're gonna layer it with tomatoes and cucumbers. So you're just gonna sprinkle some tomatoes and the cucumbers over your hummus. So one of the things I love about this is you're just gonna have a lot of fresh colors. Those greens and reds, just kind of bringing people's eye to the dip. So no more of that cheese dip that everybody's used to bringing to Super Bowl Sunday. And then after you do your tomatoes and cucumber layer, you're gonna do a dollop of yogurt over those vegetables. But you're not gonna cover your vegetables completely because you want those colors that we were just talking about to show. So just a couple of dollops and then mix it in there. So now we're gonna add some salt, some pepper, and some paprika. Next, you're gonna do a layer of your feta cheese. So we're gonna sprinkle some of those feta cheese crumbles on there. So then we're gonna do the artichoke part. We've got our artichoke that we've already chopped up, and we're gonna sprinkle that on. Then your next layer is going to be your roasted red peppers. And you can buy these in a can. I always just grab a red pepper, stick that in the oven for a few minutes. I don't know, I tend to think I like the fresh taste of a fresh roasted red pepper. Do another layer of feta. Again, you don't have to do 2 layers of feta. You can do 1 if you choose, but we know a lot of people love cheese. So you are going to do your garnish. So you can use Kalamata olives or black olives. We're going with black olives today versus Kalamata, but you're going to sprinkle some flat leaf parsley and some black olives on top of there. So you're going to pair that with some pita chips, and you've got your fresh, healthy Mediterranean dip for your Super Bowl party. So our meatballs are done, our dip is done, and now you can head to the Super Bowl party. Have a great Super Bowl Sunday, everybody. See you next time.